In this session, I will be sharing a tutorial on how to set up line crossing event in HiLook DVR. Log into the web interface of HiLook DVR, go to Smart Event Interface. Go to Line Crossing Detection Interface and enable the event. To draw the line, click on Draw Area. Then, click on the yellow line shown to move it around the scene. The Direction option below allows the user to specify the direction in which an intruder should cross the line to trigger an alert. If the person moves in the opposite direction, the alarm will not go off. Next, set up the arming schedule of the line crossing alarm. Select the alarm output linkage for that event. Enable recording to collect footage when an alarm is triggered.